Okay. Hello dear students, in last lecture question number 21 is completed. Okay, 20 first part complete, question 1 complete. Okay, second question number 21 section C, question number 2. The tax limit does not increase for income of male as well as female in the budget of that year. Does not increase. तो हमने देखो फाइंड किया था P of A, फर्स्ट भी बाकी ओके, तो फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करिए. 21 check it. Event A is equal to the tax limit for income of male increase in budget. Already write करावी दी तुझे भी. P of A is equal to 0.66. check it. Done जने. Next line. Event B, the tax limit for income of female increase in the budget is P of B is 0.72. And third sentence, the tax limit for income of male and female is 0.47. It means A intersection B. A intersection B 0.47. Okay. So first number 1. The tax limit increase for income of only one of the two males and females. One of the two males and females. So find out different event, A different B and B different A. So write down event C is equal to the tax limit increases for income of only one of the two males and females. Write down new line. P of C is equal to P of A different B plus P of B different A. Okay. Event A happens, event B does not happens, or another option, event B happens, event A does not happens. It means different event. So A different B, formula write down in bracket, P of A minus P of A intersection B plus in another bracket, event B happens, event A does not happen. So P of A minus P of A intersection B. Here write down event B happens here, sorry. So putting values P of A, P of B in A intersection B in formula. Okay, value of P of A is 0.66. minus P of A intersection B 0.47 plus another bracket value of P of B 0.72 minus P of A intersection B 0.47. Okay, now next step, using calci 0.66 minus 0.47, your answer 0.19 plus another bracket difference find out 0.72 minus 0.47 0.25 addition 0.19 plus 0.25, your final answer 0.44. Okay, and second question, number 2. Write down first number 1. Next, number 2, write down. Event D is equal to the tax limit does not increase for income of male as well as female, income of male as well as females in the budget. Okay, does not increase, it means event A does not happens and event B also does not happens. It means A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash formula, यस इंटरसेक्शन के प्लेस पे क्या हो जाएगा, यूनियन ए यूनियन बी होल डैश, एंड ए यूनियन बी होल डैश मीन्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट ऑफ ए यूनियन बी. So first of all, find out law of addition formula. A union B, P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Next, putting values, P of E 0.66 plus P of B 0.72 minus P of A intersection B 0.47 using calculation difference find out 0.91. check it. So find out P of A union B is equal to 0.91. Now next find our answer. P of D is equal to P of A dash intersection B dash. Both the event does not happens. So P of A union B whole dash 1 minus P of A union B. 1 minus A union B answer 0.91. 0.09. Write down for the second point. यदि आप डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे इवेंट डी नहीं राइट करेंगे और ए डैश इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश राइट करेंगे तो भी वैलिड. ओके, पी ऑफ ए डैश इंटरसेक्शन बी डैश इज ऑल्सो वैलिड. Next, question number 22. The price of petrol rise in 80% of the cases and the price of diesel rise in 77% of the cases after the rise in price of crude oil. Okay. Price of petrol rise is considered by event A and price of diesel rise is considered by event B. It means P of A and P of B both event given. The price of petrol and diesel rise in 68% cases. Underline price of petrol and diesel and intersection multiplication. It means intersection event is given. A intersection B. Find the probability that the price of diesel rise under the condition that there is a rise in the price of petrol. Okay, A given that of B or B given that of A. क्या फाइंड करेंगे हम? A given that of B और B given that of A. बोलो. B given that of A. इवेंट B क्या है आपकी? प्राइस ऑफ डीजल राइज. एंड इवेंट A प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल राइज. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द प्राइस ऑफ डीजल राइज अंडर द कंडीशन दैट ऑफ राइज एंड पेट्रोल. यानी कि B गिवन दैट ऑफ A. डीजल की प्राइस कब बढ़ेंगी? जब प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल इंक्रीज होगी तभी. कंडीशन ऑलरेडी दे दी है कि डीजल की प्राइस कब बढ़ रही है? जब कंडीशन the price of petrol is rise. Write down event A is equal to price of petrol rise New line. P of A is equal to 77 upon 100 0.77, sorry, 80%. So 0.8. New line. Event B is equal to price of diesel rise. Price of diesel rise. So 77%. P of B is equal to 77 upon 100 0.77. New line. Event A intersection B is equal to price of petrol and diesel rise. Price of petrol and diesel rise. New line. P of A intersection B is equal to 68 upon 100 0.68. Now next, new line, write down. Event B given that of A is equal to B given that of A is equal to the price of diesel rise. The price of diesel rise under the condition that there is a rise in the price of petrol. There is a rise in the price of petrol. Write down formula. P of B given that of A is equal to P of A intersection B upon P of A. Value of A intersection B 0.68 upon value of P of A 0.8. So final answer 0.85. B given that of A. Okay, you are complete for question number 22. Last question for the section C. As per the prediction of the Weather Bureau, the probabilities for rain on 3 days, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, in the next week are 0.8, 0.7 and 0.6 respectively. Okay. प्रेडिक्शन ऑफ वेदर ब्यूरो क्या करें, नेक्स्ट 3 डेज थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे जो रेन की बात की 0.8, 0.7 एंड 0.6. ऐसा तो नहीं कि थर्सडे रेन हुआ तो फ्राइडे हुआ तो सैटरडे. ऑल 3 इवेंट्स क्या है, इंडिपेंडेंट. एक भी इवेंट प्रीवियस इवेंट पे डिपेंडिंग नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है कि थर्सडे को रेन हुआ तो फ्राइडे को होगा, फ्राइडे को हुआ तो सैटरडे को संडे. कोई भी इवेंट एक दूसरे पे डिपेंडिंग है. ऑल 3 days are independent. Thursday is event A, Friday event B and Saturday event C. So event A, B and C, all 3 events are independent event. Continue. Find the probability that it rains on at least one of the 3 days in the next week. Underline at least one of the 3 days. क्या फाइंड करेंगे हम, बोलो. एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द 3 days. Union. 3 events is given, so law of addition for the 3 events, P of A union B union C. अब आंसर आप 2 तरीके से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. एक जो लॉ ऑफ एडिशन की फॉर्मूला है, P of A प्लस P of B प्लस P of C माइनस P of A इंटरसेक्शन B माइनस P of B इंटरसेक्शन C माइनस P of A इंटरसेक्शन C प्लस P of A इंटरसेक्शन B इंटरसेक्शन C. एंड सेकेंड मेथड, एक भी दिन बारिश नहीं है, डज नॉट रेन इन 3 days, यानी कि A डेज इंटरसेक्शन B डेज इंटरसेक्शन C डेज. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 रहती है, एक में से लेस कर देंगे तो भी आपका आंसर आएगा. दोनों तरीके से आंसर पॉसिबल है. हमने प्रीवियस सब में भी ऐसा किया हुआ है, पहले भी कर चुके हैं ऐसा, अब देख लेना वीडियो में. ओके. जिसमें A डेस इंटरसेक्शन B डेस इंटरसेक्शन C डेस, टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 में से आंसर लेस करेंगे तो भी आएगा. एंड लॉ ऑफ एडिशन फॉर द 3 इवेंट्स, वो यूज़ करेंगे तो भी आंसर आएगा. तो राइट डाउन, event A is equal to rain on Thursday. Direct write down rain on Thursday. New line, P of A is equal to 0.8. New line, event B is equal to rain on Friday. P of B is equal to 0.7. Yes. Friday and last Saturday, rain on Saturday. Event C is equal to, so P of C 0.6. The complementary event, find out first of all P of A days, P of B days and P of C days. So write down first of all complementary event of A. P of A days is equal to 1 minus P of A. 1 minus 0.8 is equal to 0.2. Next, complementary event of B find out. P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. 1 minus 0.7 P of B dash is equal to 0.3. Next, find out complementary event of C dash. P of C dash is equal to 1 minus P of C. So P of C 0.6, 1 minus 0.6. P of C dash is equal to 0.4. Next, write down event A union B union C is equal to rains on at least one of the 3 days. Rain on at least one of the 3 days in the next week. In the next week. New line, write down P of A union B union C is equal to 1 minus P of A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. Here all 3 events are independent. Independent events or law of multiplication formula P of A dash into P of B dash into P of C dash. 1 minus P of A dash into P of B dash into P of C dash. Next step, 1 minus value of P of A dash 0.2 into value of B dash 0.3 into value of C dash 0.4. 1 minus 0.2 into 0.3 into 0.4 0.024. Difference find out 0.976. Okay, write down